Yo Tech fam, Rohit here from Mobile Search India, and guess what? I just dropped by the iQOO Z series sneak peek session at Visakhapatnam, and let me tell you, it was next level lit. The iQOO team kicked off things by hooking up everyone with a sweet Amazon gift coupons, talking about warm welcome, right? And then they unveiled the iQOO Z9 5G smartphone. And first impressions, this phone is sleek as feather and feels amazing in the hand and packs a serious punch under the hood. We're talking about MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor here, which is paired with 8 GB of RAM, and it is also having the RAM expansion option up to 16 GB. It is running the latest Android 14 out of the box. iQOO is really stepping up their game here. Oh man, colors. We got two color options here, more like two masterpieces. The graphene blue is classic cool and the brush green is straight up next level. The pattern is really awesome while looking at it. And coming to the battery life, if you see, the phone is coming with 5000 mAh massive battery, an upgrade from its predecessor that will keep you powered up all the day long. Talking about cameras, iQOO Z9 5G comes with 50 megapixel Sony IMX 582 sensor with optical image stabilization. It doesn't mess around when it comes to capturing memories. I've been already putting it under the test. I've been taking a lot of photos and check out the photos as we go. As we see, the photos look really good even at a night time. Apart from that, we have took a lot of selfies. The selfies look really good. The front facing camera with 16 megapixel takes really good selfies, and the back camera with Sony 882 sensor is also good while taking pictures in low light. Wait, there is more. Calling all mobile gamers, this phone is a new best friend for you, especially in a budget segment. I'm talking about the smooth extreme graphics on a BGMI with zero lag, and if you could see, the phone is really good handling the game. And I have tried playing the arena for some time, and I never felt any lag while the gameplay, and I have also killed three people during my gaming session, and I never observed any lag during the kills or anything while enemies near to us. I didn't observe any issue with the gaming. It ran like a butter thanks to Mali G610 GPU plus Z9 5G boasts extra gaming features to take your experience to next level. Let's not forget about the display and sound. We are talking about one stunning 120Hz Super AMOLED display with HDR support and a crystal clear stereo speakers that will immerse you in movie experience. Overall, the iQOO Z9 is a serious contender in a smartphone arena. I'm already counting down the days until its official launch. So what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and hit the like button. And let me know in the comments what you think about iQOO Z9 5G. I'll be dropping more updates soon. Stay tuned.